Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be playing with the Chucky palette from Glamlite and some lip products as well. So if you want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. I'm really excited to play with this palette today because I just love the movie so much. I love all of them. Even the cheesy ones, I still love them. The cheesier, the better. So let me show you what I got. By the way, the packaging to these are so beautiful. A+ on the packaging. So I got the lip kit, which brings two. It's actually two lip kits. The Tiffany one and the Chucky one. Let me show you those. Isn't that just amazing? Look at the back. I'm telling you, I have high hopes for this, for everything, especially the palette. It better be good, because if not, I'm gonna be very mad. This pulls down like this. It has a little thingy here, which I think is amazing because it reminds me of like a DVD cover. And then it brings the lip liner and the lipstick. Oh, I'm telling you, the packaging, it's so pretty. So this is the Chucky shade, and it's a nude shade. I think I'm gonna like this. So that looks very beautiful. I think it's matte. Let me swatch it over here. Oh, that's a very beautiful color. And it feels soft. That's very nice. Oh, now it's not so matte. It has a bit of a shine. I thought it was gonna be matte. And I see the lip liner. I've never tried Glamlite's lipsticks, so I don't know if I'm gonna get an allergic reaction. I hope not. Ooh, okay, it's a brown. Definitely love the lip liner. And it feels soft, so let's see. Okay, that's the Chucky one. And then this is the Tiffany lipstick. Oh, she's so adorable. I think she's beautiful. So this one is, yes, darker. That one right here. It's definitely more like a brick color, like a dark brick. Oh, interesting. It's almost the same as the Chucky lip liner, only a little bit darker. They're very similar, but this one's a bit darker. Now for the palette. This is the Crazy in Love palette. It brings 15 shades. Which, when I saw the palette online, I thought it was going to be much bigger, but it's actually a small palette in terms of size. And I think this is perfect for traveling, and you get more shades. And then this part right here, that it changes, I think that's amazing. Let me see where you can see it better without the lights. There we go. That one says Crazy in Love, and there you see their faces. I love it. I just love it. It's been touched because I did some swatches. I'm going to show you in a second. These are the colors. Very cool tone and very dark and grungy, just how I love it. That's why when I saw this, I had to grab it, because I mean, you don't see that often, those shades like that. So I'm going to show you some swatches now. Okay, so I don't know, I'm debating if I'm going to do two looks or just one, but I know I want to start with those grays. I'm going to start with this one up here, Good Guys. And I'm glad that this brings a mirror. I gotta be careful with these because I don't wanna, I already did my base, so I don't wanna mess up my foundation. So I gotta be really, I'm gonna try to be light-handed as much as possible because I really don't want any fallout. Who's watching the Chucky series? I don't know if I heard rumors they were gonna cancel the show. I hope not, because it's a really good show. So for the next color, I want to use that middle shade, this one right here, which is called Play Pals. By the way, I have no idea what look I want to create. I'm just picking out the colors that I like. I don't know what's wrong with my face today, my skin, because I use my normal foundation and my regular concealer that I always use. Well, I haven't used that one in a while, which is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I don't know why my face looks so cakey today. Look at this. My under eyes never looked that cakey before. I have no idea what it is. I don't know if I'm very dry there now, which is not typical for me. But I noticed that today and I'm like, why does my skin look so messed up? I have no idea why. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit, but not a lot. And I'm gonna start blending it upwards, but not as high as the first shade. And I'm gonna repeat that on the other eye. Now you know I have to try that black. I'm gonna try it, which is called Free Hugs. I'm just gonna leave this in the outer corner, create like a little wing and a lift. I like doing that a lot because I have droopy eyes, so it helps to create the effect that I don't have droopy eyes. Tapping my brush every single time that I dip in because I don't want any fallout. So far I don't have any fallout, thank goodness. But we'll see what happens when I start applying the shimmers. Time to use the shimmers. And I know I want to use the silver, which is want to play up here. But I think I also want to use this one, like a dark purple plum. So I'm going to start with this one first. I already added glitter primer by NYX. So let's try that one first. Sparkly. Let me try that silver. Come on, I'm a sucker for silver shimmers. This has to be good. It's barely there. Do you see it? I wanted it to pop more. Let me try my finger. I have long nails, so I don't, look how beautiful it looks here. That's how I want it to be. Of course, it works way better with your finger, but I can't get in there because of my nails. So let me see if I spray my brush. Okay, that's better. That works better. Now I see it. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna go for the lower lash line, and I think I want this color, which is called Let's Be Friends. It's like a mauve color. I'm gonna blend that out with the first shade, which was Good Guys. And I am going to use I Like to Be Hugged, this one, really close to the lower lash line. I'm gonna put some mascara, some eyeliner, and falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for lashes, I put the Lunar Beauty lashes in style Flare. I use this Colorina color gel liner, which is in like a lilac color. I don't know if you can tell. I think it will go well with the purple look that I have on. So now I want to try the lipsticks, and I was debating which one I wanted to use, the dark one or the nude one. And I think I'm gonna go all out with the dark one, so which is the Chucky one. No, it's the Tiffany one. And I'm gonna start with the lip liner first and see if they're creamy, if they're soft, or it's very pointy. I was gonna get the mirror, but I thought the mirror was gonna be very small, so I passed on it. But then I saw the creators showing it off, and it was like this size, so I was like, damn it, I didn't get it. So it went on quite smoothly. Then I'm gonna press in a little bit downward, soften it a little bit. If I get any allergic reaction to it, I will let you know in the description box, or I'll pin a comment in the comment section. This is a beautiful color on its own. And this is the lipstick. I don't know if I should keep it like this. I'll add the lipstick. I love this color. Ooh, this color is gorgeous. And it's creamy. It's on the drier side a little bit, but it doesn't feel dry on your lips. So here it is. The final look. I used a lot of them. I used a lot of colors. Let me see how many colors I actually did on this one. 7 shades in total. The mattes that I used, which I used 4 mattes, they work great. I used 2 shimmers. I was getting a little nervous about this one because I thought it wasn't going to show up, but it does. If you wet your brush, it shows up, or if you use your finger. But I like this. This palette is really good. I love this look that I created now. And this lip, it doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel sticky. I would say it's a soft matte, and it feels very comfortable so far. So yeah, I love this first look that I did. Hello, so I'm gonna do the second look, and the reason why I wanted to do a second look is because I wanted to see if I could create a softer look using this palette, and I think I can. So that's what I'm gonna try to do in this look today. And I'm gonna start with that gray up there. I'm only going to use very little of this. Basically, that's all I'm going to use. I'm going to take Let's Be Friends, which is this one. Concentrate that more on the crease. I put glitter primer on because I'm going to be working with the shimmers now. You could leave it really light by just adding the silver, but I want to mix this one and then this one on top and see. So I'm going to start with Chucky and Tiff Forever. Cute name. Now I'm going to use the silver on top of that. Those two mixed together make such a gorgeous color. Now I'm going to move on to the lower lash line, and I'm going to take Till Death Do Us Part. And a little bit of the black, really close to the lower lash line. I'm gonna finish my eyes. I'm gonna put some eyeliner, falsies, and I'll be right back. I added some lashes from AOA. I added in my waterline this Colorina gel liner. It's pink. And now I'm ready to try the other lipstick, which is the Chucky lipstick. I'm gonna go in first with the lip liner. These are very smooth and creamy. You know how some pencil liners tend to be dry? This one's not. And the lipstick. So this is the second look. What do you think? Which one's your favorite? The first one or this one? The new ones that I tried was this one. And it's a beautiful color on its own. And when you mix the silver in that one, it creates this gorgeous look. Then I tried this one, the lower lash line, which I haven't tried, and it's a beautiful shade. I like this palette a lot. So let me know what you think. Have you tried this? Did you order this palette? Have you tried it? What do you think about it? Did it work for you? Let me know all that good stuff in the comments down below. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.